Hi. So my name is Ioana.
My name is Aboud.
Yeah. We just repatriate from Dubai to Romania, and we want to share with everyone our experience. The reason we are making this is because I'm receiving a lot of calls for how did you do it, and explaining to everyone side by side or time by time. So we thought we'll make this and explain to everyone what we've done, and maybe it's better for everyone. Okay, so we have 4 pets. This is one of them. Okay, we have 2 dogs, 2 cats. We've been living in Dubai for a while. Actually, he's born there.
Yeah.
I'm 14 years living there. So we have 2 dogs, 2 cats, one husky, 1 terrier, and 2 cats. We found them in the park and somewhere outside. We decided to move to Romania, and we call a lot of pet relocation companies, and they try to charge us 15,000 dirham per animal. We've been having a quotation for 25,000 dirham for 2 dogs. So we decided, okay, let's do it by ourselves, and we'll try to explain step by step how we've done it. This is our experience. We will tell you how we've done it, and you do whatever you think it's good. We choose Fly Dubai. Just we want to say from now that this is no commercial for anyone. No one pays us for anything. So we are just trying to help other people in our situation.
Exactly.
We've been stuck in Dubai for a while. We try to get out, but because of the COVID, the dogs, they couldn't fly. Cats, yes, they can fly with KLM, with other airlines. They can fly in the cabin. It will be like 200 euro. But for the dogs, there is no other way than Fly Dubai cargo. So what was the first step that we've done? We went and we done the vaccination card, the passport, and the chip for the animals. The most important one is the anti-rabic. It has to have minimum 21 days.
Exactly.
So if it's 6 months ago, 8 months ago done, it's okay.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
Yeah, but 21 days you have to calculate before.
The validity.
Yeah, so you have the card here, you have all this, and this is the batch number for the vaccination. Okay, the second step that you should do, you should buy cage, because Fly Dubai have specific measure that you can put. They have 4 measures: small, medium, large, and extra large.
It depends on your dog, basically, or your cat.
Yeah, so they are telling you to put 2 dogs in the cage you cannot put, but 2 cats we could put it in the cage, in a bigger cage. It costs 46.5 per kilo, but it's a volumic kilo. So be careful how you calculate, and you have to ask Fly Dubai, the cargo, the sales team. You have to email them, and they will give you a quotation. But this quotation for us, it was 1,000 dirham more. So the
Less, I mean.
more.
We paid more.
We pay more. Their quotation was 8,900, and we pay 9,900.
There's 2 fees, Danata fees and the other fees.
Yeah, so the Danata fees, they will tell you over the phone is 500, but actually it's not 500. We pay 900 dirham, which it's a little bit more. So buy the cage. Be careful which cage you are buying. The dog or the cat shouldn't hit their head or their ears on the top. They should have a space to turn a little bit. For the husky, the extra large is sufficient, and you should go and buy it from Sharjah and
birds. What do you call it? Birds.
Animal market.
Yeah,
Birds animal market. There is a lot of people there, and it's very cheap. We paid 150 for the small.
There is one next to Al Kanari Clinic, the one we are dealing with before when we were in Dubai.
We have his number. If you guys need it, text us, comment on us, and we will give you the number and the details. We are not that good, so we don't know how to put these things. We don't know how to edit. We are just trying in the beginning. So buy the cage from there. The ocean cage, the one for the husky, the biggest cage, we pay 650.
600, yeah.
Where online you cannot find another 1,500.
Yeah.
New,
1,500.
new, not used.
Yeah.
Then so the vaccination, then the cage. You find a flight, because Romania is not agreeing. We don't have a pet service. Thanks to the government. Thank you, government. We don't have a pet veterinary service in the airport. We call Fly Dubai. We ask, okay, what's the closest country that we can fly with the dog? They told us Bulgaria. We said, okay, we fly to Bulgaria. So in order to do that, you have to book the flight, and then before the flight, preferably 10 days before the flight, you should go on Moccae, MOCCAE. This is a website, it's the government website where you have to apply for the export certificate for the dogs. You have to make an account first. We actually broke our ears. If you guys again need help, let us know. On that website, they will put you to fill in the details that they are in the...
By your Emirates ID.
It's, yeah, you're registered by Emirates ID.
Yeah.
You should receive an email, a message,
Exactly.
then you fill in a long form. You pay 411 dirham. You can add on this certificate till 5 pets.
4 or 5?
5.
Okay.
We add 4, so 411 is for all 4 pets for us.
Yeah.
And then they will issue for you a health certificate. But once you fill in, see, this is the health certificate with all the details. Once you fill in this, it will sit there pending, waiting for veterinary services. For that, you have to go with the pet in the cage, to Danata services where?
In Dafza, it's in Dubai Free Zone. It's next to Al-Tuwar.
Okay, you will go there at the
Dafza
ground
before.
floor. You enter like this, you go in the left, there is one nice, very nice gentleman there. For us, he was really amazing guy.
Filipino
Thank you so much. And for that one, you will need the passports. You will need to fill out this form that I told you online.
And he will help you there if
And
there's
then
anything.
there is one declaration that you will have to find it online. I will show it to you now.
Just a
Where is it? 2 seconds. 1 second. 3, 4, 1. This one. This is a model for animal health certificate for the non-commercial movement. This one. Oh, sorry.
No, wait, there. No, yes, go for it.
Okay. This one, it should be filled in by a veterinary.
All by yourself.
We fill it in by ourselves. As I told you, we are telling our story. We fill it in by ourselves. The gentleman there was very, very nice.
Yeah, very helpful. You
And
have to about the number. Don't see anything you don't know. Just don't fill it up. Whenever you go there, he will help you.
okay.
It doesn't have to be written fully.
Yeah, so you just fill in whatever you know. Don't write whatever you don't know, because some of the numbers...
Ask us if anything you need. We'll love to help you.
Yeah, exactly. Then they will give you there a model of declaration. They will issue this form for you. They will issue, and there you will pay an export European Union export certificate, which will pay 311 dirham or 309, I don't remember.
For pets also.
But for 5 pets as
5
well.
also, huh?
But it has to be by credit card.
Yeah.
So from there we left with the certificate. Okay, what else it is? 24 hours before the flight, you will have to go with all the pets, with all the documents. You will go to Danata again in the same place that my husband
Don't
said.
forget about what do you call it?
What?
Immigration. You have to pay
Yeah.
another fee.
There, but we didn't reach there right now. So you will go there 24 hours, and you put all the papers with all the dogs. Again, they will check the weight, they will check the size, they will measure. You should be there because for us they measure a little bit higher, and then they will issue for you an invoice. Before issuing this invoice, they will send you, because it's an export, to the customs in Dubai, where you will pay 100. How much we pay?
120?
120. We pay again another amount there for all the pets. Then what else? And then be sure that the name is correctly written there. Because for us they write the name wrong, so we had to go back. Then what else did we do? So they issue the invoice. We had to pay the invoice. We pay 10,000 dirham. Before the flight, 5 to 6 hours, you have to drop the animals in the same place with the invoice. They will issue for you an airway bill. This airway bill, if you fly through Bulgaria, is very, very important. So this is the airway bill. This is how it looks. Okay, there is a number. This one you will have to send it to the guy in Bulgaria there. This one I showed to them the original. Okay, so 5 hours we went to the pets. They give us all the documents. We left the pets there, and we went back home, and we went to the airport. If you go to Bulgaria, parallel with this situation, minimum, once you get these papers, the export certificate, the airway bill, you will not get it only 24 hours before. But all the documents, passport, the export certificate, all the documents that you have to send it by WhatsApp. Scan it, and send it by WhatsApp to the broker in Bulgaria, because in Bulgaria you will not be able to take the pet by yourself out of customs. Why? Because you will land in one terminal, the dogs will be transferred to another terminal, which is quite far from each other. It's like 10 kilometers.
Exactly.
So it takes some time, and if you don't know anything, because be careful in Bulgaria, there is a lot of people, you don't speak the language. I mean, maybe you do, but we didn't, so we were very scared to get out of the airport without knowing anything. So what we have done is we have hired someone at a broker for the pets. The customs in Bulgaria for the pets was around 100 euro, 120. This depends on how many pets you have, weight, many things. We pay 250 euro. We have an agent. His name is Evenji, and if you need, I can give the number. So his phone number is +359 888 223841. This is his phone number. In case if you need it, he will be very helpful. The pets will be out. We landed at 1:20, and by 5 we had the pet. So between 4 hours, depends 4 to 5 hours max, you will wait. But if you don't do it, you do it by yourself, you might wait for a long time. So the last thing that we've done is, because we couldn't go with the cages, huge cages of dogs, we hired a car to take us from the airport, from Sofia to Bucharest. And this we found a very nice company. It's called Bulgaria Airport Transfer. Very nice gentleman. The driver is really amazing. We have the guy number also. His name is Martin. If you need his details, we will give you the details as well. So this was our adventure. It was an adventure of 24 hours.
Yeah.
We reached in Bucharest, so we left from Dubai,
Kids, so.
and we had kids also. We have
Luggage.
20 bags of luggage, but we reached within like the whole thing. It was 24 hours.
Yeah.
And keep in mind, this is during COVID, during pandemic. So if you guys need our help, please let us know and text us or comment. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.